Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're looking to download and install the SHEIN app on your iPhone, you're in the right place. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to get the app up and running in just a few minutes. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Before we start, make sure your iPhone is connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or cellular data. Once you're connected, let's move to the next step. Find the App Store on your iPhone and open it. Tap on the Search tab at the bottom. In the search bar, type SHEIN and hit Enter. Look for the official SHEIN online shopping app. It should be the first result. Tap the Get button or the cloud download icon if you've installed it before. If prompted, confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. The download will begin. Wait a few moments for it to install. Once the installation is complete, exit the App Store by swiping up or pressing the Home button. Look for the SHEIN app on your home screen. Tap on the SHEIN app to open it. Sign up or log in if you already have an account. Explore the latest fashion trends and start shopping. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the SHEIN app on your iPhone. Now you can enjoy shopping for the latest trends right from your phone. If this video was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.